Hello, I'm Debbie Pinardo, a clinical investigator in the Artistry Innovation and Science Department. All of the Artistry skin nutrition formulas contain a very special ingredient, one that has superpowers because of its multiple benefits. It's called a super seed, and it's our very own. We get it from our own Nutrilite farms. So why white chia seed? Chia is an ancient grain native to Mexico. It is nutrient dense, packed with omega-3, protein, fiber, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. White chia seed was specifically selected by the Artistry scientists since it's not only a super seed, but many parts of the seed are beneficial for both nutrition and beauty. It was the perfect functional botanical to be the link between Nutrilite and the new Artistry skin nutrition line. And best of all, it's exclusive to Amway, and the variety is patented. Some of the skin benefits include skin barrier repair and improving moisturization, supporting skin's youthful radiance and healthy glow, antioxidant benefits, and helping to balance the skin's microbiome. All skin nutrition formulas contain at least one form of white chia to provide a skin benefit. Many of the formulas contain multiple forms of chia. Let's dive deep into each beauty extract and why is it important for the skin nutrition line. First, the oil. White chia seed is naturally rich in omega-3, an essential fatty acid, which the body cannot produce on its own. It contains the highest plant source of omega-3 at over 60%. The oil contributes to barrier repair and moisturization claims. It helps to strengthen the skin's barrier function and seal in moisture. Our oil is extracted using a clean process through mechanical means only. The seeds are cold pressed to extract the skin moisturizing oil. The oil is then filtered in such a way to maintain the naturally occurring benefits of chia. Second, the oil in a liposome. White chia seed oil can be used directly in a formula or incorporated into a liposome for delivery deep into the skin's surface layers. The liposome is composed of ceramides and lipids that are similar to the skin's natural lipids to help aid in the repair of our skin barrier while delivering the chia oil to the skin. The liposomes used in Artistry products are produced with a patented process and are exclusive to Amway. The white chia seed liposome and white chia seed oil work together to strengthen the skin barrier. Third, the extract. White chia seed extract is produced using a patented purification and concentration process at our Nutrilite plant in Quincy, Washington. When used alone, white chia extract supports antioxidant benefits for the skin. When white chia seed is combined with Nutrilite pomegranate, we have patented brightening claims. And finally, the gel. The most recent discovery is white chia seeds application to help support your skin's healthy microbiome. The white chia seeds are processed in a special way to isolate the sugars and polysaccharides for the microbiome benefits to your skin. The white chia seeds are soaked in water, where their super absorbent, water-soluble fiber coating creates a special gel. The white chia seed gel has been shown to help prevent your skin's microbiome from getting out of control. It stabilizes, strengthens, and nurtures the skin's microbiome and keeps it in balance by minimizing the formation of biofilms. This gel is only found in the Artistry Skin Nutrition Toners. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. See you next time.